honor to be here tonight for 2 nights here. Thank you so much. We'll give you everything we have tonight, I promise you that. Falling too fast with the bad tripping on the word with the dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures, negative, empties. Everybody waiting for the fallen man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. But I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, whip, rub me like a, pull me like a, break me down and pick me up. I wanna be the slip, slip, word upon your lip, lip. Let it fit you, rip, rip, break me down and pick me up. Adrenaline in my veins, whatever it takes. 'Cause I love how it feels when I play the chains, whatever it takes. Take me to the top, I'm ready for whatever it takes. 'Cause I love the adrenaline in my. Always gotta be cold. My body feeling miserable. I'm always thinking of the visual. I wanna be invisible. Looking at my ears and I'm not dumb. Everybody needs to be a part of them. Never being up on the bottom of the sun. I'm gonna run. Smoke the cheese. Whip, whip. Run me like a race. Oh, pull me like a break me down and baby if I wanna be the slip, slip. Word upon your lip, lip. Let it get you rip, rip. Break me down and baby if whatever it takes. Wanna be the parenthetical, hypothetical, working hard on something that I'm proud of. Out of the box, in the poxy to the world. The vision we've lost, I'm in the box.